Y'all, we have officially moved. I am in a new space, a new setup, a new everything, and I've been looking bummy all freaking week. So I am trying to look like this instead of looking like this, okay? Let me do that one more time. This instead of this. I don't know what this is, you guys. I'm gonna show y'all how quickly I pop this unit on. This is a V-part unit from Unice hair. This is their Yaki unit. Y'all know how much I love Yaki texture because the match with natural type 4 hair is so good. Let's go ahead and get started. This should not take me long. That's the whole point of a good old V-part. You just need a little bit of leave out and you are good to go. Don't judge me. Let me go ahead and take down the little middle part, my little braids right here. And I'm trying to go out for drinks or something tonight with my husband and I can't go out looking like this. So let's get started. Y'all, let me give you an up close look at one of my favorite parts on this wig, and that's the V part, the actual V part right here. It's really great for my fine haired girly. It's much thinner and blends naturally with the scalp. You also have plenty of combs just in case, so you don't have to worry about any wig slipping or flying off because we don't want none of that. And of course, a drawstring in the back that lets you customize this unit even more to your liking and also lets you have a really good secure fit. And it's also very comfortable. So y'all, let's go ahead and get into how we are going to style this unit. So y'all, I popped on a little bit of old school brandy, and now let me talk to my girls who might be your first wig, okay? All I'm focused on right here is my leave out. So I don't really care how my hair looks. I know it looks a crazy hot mess or whatever, but what you see me braided right here, right in the middle, is gonna be for my middle part. That is what I'm focused on. I do have 2 anchor braids right here on the side. An anchor braid is great, especially if you have fine hair like myself, because it gives the clips something to hold on to, and it kind of takes the tension off as well. Like, I try my best not to do a V part without having an anchor braid on both sides because it just makes it a little bit more comfortable to wear. So once you've got all that set complete, you're just gonna pop your unit on. Now what I do, okay, do as you do, but what I do, my advice is put your clips where you want them to be, but don't completely set them yet or clip them all the way down because you're still gonna do some adjusting. It takes me just a few seconds just to adjust on all sides. I go for my middle part, both sides, make sure nothing is pulling, tugging. And then once I kind of got everything exactly how I want it to be and it feels comfortable, that's what you're looking for more than anything, I go ahead and press them babies down in the middle and I am good to go. For me, the drawstring is added security. So once I've got my comb set around the perimeter in my V part, I go ahead and just adjust my drawstring in the back. Make sure you pull the larger little circle first and then make sure the smaller one is right next to it and then just tuck it under and again, you're good to go. Super easy. All right, y'all, so this should have only taken you about 30 seconds to do. Make sure it's comfortable, make sure nothing's tugging, pulling. You saw me adjust a couple times because I do not play when stuff is pulling on my hair, okay? My edges, bald spots have grown out and I am not taking any chances. So yeah, comfortable. I went on ahead and tightened it just a smidge in the back with the adjustable drawstring back here. And now I'm just going to flat iron my leave out on low heat actually, because I put this up way too high. From here, we've already done the hard part. From here, you're just going to straighten your leave out, do your edges if you want to, and you should be good to go. Like, this is a style that should not require a lot of effort and a lot of time more than anything, because holidays are coming up. We're gonna have places to go, things to do, people to see. I'm trying to look good today, but like quickly though, you know, I'm already beautiful. It shouldn't take that much effort. So next, y'all just gonna do a quick flat iron over my leave out. I chose a little bit of leave out. I always do the bare minimum because I don't like to put a lot of heat on my head, especially the middle of my head, because it tends to get the least amount of love, all the heat all the time. So just one pass is enough for me. And then after I do both sides, I'm gonna do a little bit of my wax stick, and that'll help my hair kind of stay into place and not frizz up as well. My hair is not heat trained. I don't use too much heat on it, especially like right now, but whenever I do put some heat on it, it's always in the middle because I'm a middle part kind of girl. So adding a little bit of wax stick to keep the hair down, flyaways, and also a little bit of shine too. And then next, I'm just going to lay my edges edges. Again, this is totally optional. If you just want to move on from here, you don't have to. You can just straighten them a little bit to kind of blend and flow with the rest of the hair. But again, this is a personal preference. And as for me, your girl likes her edges laid, so that's what I'm doing here. And then what I'm using too is the Basque and Lather Edge Control. I've been really liking this stuff. I don't have to use my Blue Lagoon gem as much with it anymore, and I've kind of laid off of that as well just to get my edges back on track. But again, that's a plus with wearing a V-part unit, because you don't have to worry about no glue, no lace, no anything, no friction. It's really just a very natural install. And obviously you can choose to wear more leave out than what I am doing. You can really also, depending on how you do this unit, you can wear no leave out as well. You've got tons of options to make this unit work for you, but more than anything, it's beginner friendly, it's easy, it's quick, and it's fast, and it's super natural. So once I've laid my edges, you guys, this is how we are looking, and your girl is happy. I knew this was gonna come out good, except for this side over here. Edges laid, the hair is looking good. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Y'all can't tell me this is not good. At this point, I decided not to cut the hair because I love the length on this. I was like, let me just cut the ends a bit, straighten the hair a little bit. I think this is at 375 degrees, and I just went on over the hair really quickly. It takes heat very well, especially, well, more so when straightening it. It takes heat very well. I'm gonna end up doing some crimps in this hair, and it looks so good. I know y'all saw the beginning of the video, but it came out so freaking pretty. But the shine on this, the luster, the texture, just this is such a really great match for my girls like myself who have type 4 hair. I'm gonna put the exact unit that I'm wearing right here in the description box along with anything else, so make sure y'all check that out. And here's the first look I'm gonna show you guys. It just bone straight, sleek, straight, classic look right here. Y'all, this is like my signature style. Alright, y'all, so putting some crimps in this hair just real quick. If you haven't worked with Yaki hair, this is just my opinion because I've worked with it plenty of times. I prefer doing something like this, so putting crimps in it, because look how good these crimps are coming out versus doing like a curling wand. To me, curling wand with Yaki hair and even like a kinky straight kind of texture, you need a little bit more than that. So you need like flexi rods plus some mousse plus some time, and that just takes a little bit longer. So if you're pressed for it, I would do, and want some volume, want something different, I would definitely go for crimps like this, because I knew this was going to come out looking so freaking cute. Just a little tip for you to plan ahead, just in case you've got events and stuff coming up. Another really good tip for you, especially my beginners or my girls who want to grow their hair out, is cornrow your hair. Cornrow your natural hair, your relaxed hair, whatever. Cornrow it all down so that in the mornings or so, you can just pop this on. It's already crimped. Your hair is already curled or straightened, and look how good. You can be out the door in 2 seconds. So just keep that in mind as we are approaching the busy seasons. The busy times are coming up. Just pulled my hair back really quickly, just kind of switch it up for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if y'all have any questions, comments, anything like that, and I will talk to y'all in my next one. Bye.
If somebody's heaven, tell me who